If you have one or more missing teeth, come see me. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin at the Aesthetic Associate Center. We can replace those missing teeth with either implants or fixed bridge work, or a combination. Sometimes we are not able to do an implant because the bone is resorbed so much or the sinus cavity is so low that we have to do a fixed bridge where we put crowns on the adjacent teeth and bridge across that space. But more times than not, we're able to replace those missing teeth with mini dental implants in 1 or 2 short visits. Occasionally we use a combination of implants and natural teeth to do permanent fixed bridge work all over the mouth. So whatever your needs may be, we need to do a consultation for you. So come in for a free visit. We'll take the necessary x-rays at no charge. We'll sit down and talk about all the things you might need in your mouth, and we'll come up with a treatment plan that you can look at. We will also help you with financing. You can pay for your dental work over 2 years, interest-free, or if you need even more time, we can go all the way out to 90 months. So there's no reason to wait. Come and see us for a free consultation.